Hi, my name is Tamara, and in this video I'll show you how to create a store locator like the one you're seeing on screen for your Wix site in just a few minutes. This store locator allows your customers to quickly find the nearest store by entering their address and provides them with additional information such as a website link, opening hours, and more. To get started, open the Wix App Market and search for Store Seek. Click on Store Locator, Store Seek, then click Add to Site on the app page. You can also use the link in the video description to go directly to the app listing. After installation, open the app in Wix Studio and click Add Location to add your first location. This will open a window where you can enter the location details. The most important information to provide is the location name and address. You can also add additional details such as an image, website link, contact information, and more. Additionally, you can import multiple locations at once using the CSV import. The CSV file must include the location name and address. All other fields are optional, but they can be imported as well. If you need any help or experience any issues with the CSV import, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the support button in the app header. In the next step, we'll customize the map. To do this, scroll down to the map preview and map settings. Here you can change the marker color, map style, and much more. For this example, we'll change the marker color, set the map style to white, and enable gesture handling. This option is highly recommended as it prevents users from accidentally getting stuck on the map while scrolling through the page. Now that our locations are added and the map is customized, we can move on the final step, adding the map to your Wix site. Open the Wix Editor and click Add Elements on the page where you want to place the store locator. This will open the sidebar where you should find the Store Seek widget in the App Widget section. Click the widget to add it to the page. In the editor, the map will display some placeholder locations, but don't worry, your actual location will appear on the live site. Resize and reposition the widget however you like. Once you're happy with the result, click Publish, then View Site to see your store locator live. And that's it. Your store locator is now live on your Wix site and ready for your customers to use. If you have any questions or need help setting things up, feel free to contact us through the support button in the app or leave a comment below. And if you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.